My first Sunday in a really long time. I'm not working this weekend. Woohoo! If you saw my last video, you know that we went to Oakland. We went there for apple picking and we got a ton of apples with us. We ate a lot of the apples that we bought. They were delicious. But today I really feel like baking with them. I want to get into that cozy season. Although it's not very cold in LA. I just wanna at least recreate that fall, cozy fall season within these walls. So I'm baking this like loafy, bready apple cake that has cream cheese inside of it. And I love cream cheese. I love anything cheesecakey and cream cheesy. Anyway, so I saw this recipe and it had cream cheese in it and I thought, okay, I have to have that. So here we go. Okay, so let's start with half of the cake. I have not baked anything like this in years. This is a little bit more complicated than what I usually do, so I'm very nervous. It's gonna be interesting because I think I did the cream cheese filling all wrong. It has a really strange texture, but here goes nothing. I think it just looks like cottage cheese to me. I don't know. I'm just gonna top it with more of this cake batter. Okay, there we go. So after all that, I realized I forgot to powder it in icing sugar, because this is how it's supposed to look like. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just give this another try one day soon and just do it properly. But good first try, and I guess less sugar this way, but I think this way would be a little prettier. So it's a fall day in Los Angeles. It's October and we're like in the middle of another heat wave. It's insanely warm today. I am, for the first time in months, maybe like 6 months, indulging in a day of shopping. My birthday's coming up soon and we have this tradition in my family. On your birthday, you wear something new. I don't know if other people are like this, but I really enjoy doing shopping on my own because I feel really stressed out if I'm with my boyfriend, who likes to just like doesn't really enjoy shopping, but if he needs something, he wants to go get it, and then he's like, he goes in and he goes out. There's no strolling around checking things out. He's very like fast, and he doesn't really come with you and sit on the couch and be patient. Like he needs to do stuff. If I'm with a friend and we go shopping, I kind of get caught up on what my friend needs rather than what I need or want. So yeah, if I need to go shopping, I have to do it on my own. So this also gives me time to have some alone time with me. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to this date. Just like a date with myself, and then this evening I'm gonna have a date with Bobby. Looking to eat here in Century City. This HRB has good hand rolls, and this place, Meizu Gangpo, you'll probably recognize from one of my videos. We love their food. That's Chinese. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. I'm back home, and that was a fun day. I have to say it was slim pickings when it came to clothing. I felt like everything I saw was loungewear or fall and winter wear, and not tailored to the weather in Los Angeles. It was like full-on knitwear, faux furs, a lot of like work office attire, but winter style. But I did, at the last minute, I went into Anthropology, and just because I just couldn't find anything, I decided to up my budget a little bit and splurge. Excuse me if there's noise in the background. That is the laundry machine Bobby put in a load. Anyway, so upped my budget because I figured that I'll buy something that I can wear for my birthday, but also for New Year's Eve. Tonight, Bobby and I are gonna go out. We're not sure. We're probably gonna do something chill, like go to a local bar here on the west side and have a beer or two, hop around a little bit, just see what the deal is. So I come home to some meat, to some grilled meat and halloumi cheese. Yum. And there's bread in the oven. Yum. Oh, that's the microwave. Oh, this looks so amazing. My first meal of the day after that juice. This is my first real meal of the day. Woo! Woo! So good. So this morning I went out and bought donuts because it's Sunday, but also because Sidecar Donuts has a limited seasonal donut. It's a cannoli masalada or malasada. Masalada. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's a Portuguese donut. And they've made it with a cannoli flavor and filling. And you can see that cannoli filling actually oozing out. So that's that one. And this is a spiced tiramisu, which is also a seasonal flavor. Just got two because these are expensive. Like $5 each. And they're freshly baked. I actually waited for them to give me.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, they had to cool down so they could package them. So we're gonna have some.
Yummy, yummy.
Actually went for the cannoli, and then I saw the spiced tiramisu and decided to grab that one as well. But I want to start with the cannoli. So that's the cannoli filling. The famous powdered sugar. We have the worst knife. Ooh.
Yummy, yummy.
And then it's got the chocolate bits. The cream does not taste like a cannoli cream to me. I don't know what, it almost feels like a whipped cream, but thicker. Cannoli is, the filling is I think it's a ricotta and mascarpone mix or ricotta mix. Like it's cheese, but you can't taste any of that here. Some coffee to wash that down.
Smells good.
Your reaction was so different than mine.
Wait, so what is this? I mean, this is a good donut.
Yeah, it's a cannoli dough. It's it's a malasada. I need to figure out how you pronounce it. It's that Portuguese donut, malasada or masalada. They had that
curry?
They had that in Hawaii. That was the donuts they used to sell.
I mean, it's a good donut.
Malasada, cannoli filled malasada. Yeah, it's a good donut, but it doesn't taste like cannoli whatsoever.
Oh no.
Right?
Doesn't taste like cannoli, no. I mean, it just tastes like a filled donut.
Cream, yeah, with the cream.
With those chocolate chips.
Yeah. Okay. Can I have that bite?
Which one? This bite?
Yeah, that was my half. That was your half.
No, but this is all you now.
Okay.
I'm not a big fan of those chocolate chips.
You just don't like chocolate, though.
Yeah.
This is the pretty side of the cookie or whatever. Okay. So I'll remove this because it's going to be difficult to cut through otherwise. Oh, I wish we had a better knife. Oh, cool.
This is a good breakfast.
Oh yeah, you haven't even had breakfast yet. There is a donut hole.
Interesting. Oh, we got a winner.
Yeah.
We got a winner.
The unexpected one. I didn't go in for this one, but it's so good. Okay, get the tiramisu because it has a coffee. Definitely has a coffee flavor. It's got coffee, cinnamon, maple or caramel. Look at that.
Okay, babe, it's
Inside.
my turn.
Okay. Mr. Bean.
Mmm. Mmm. It's really good.
Yabba dabba do.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I like both.
Yeah.
Sugary donut, cream, good breakfast. Can I take this one?
Mm-hmm. For me, this had more flavor. The other one was just like creamy and sweet, but this actually...
yeah. No, this is better. Mm-hmm. So this one is a tiramisu?
Yeah. The spiced tiramisu.
But this one also tastes just like a good donut. I mean,
feel like I tasted like full-on autumn, fall flavors. Like the spices, cinnamon spice, all that stuff.
I was like, how can you taste fall?
Well, the American,
Look at
Starbucks
the donut. Oh yeah. Mm.
syrups.
Can I get my milk? Mm. But I gotta say, it's a good donut. So fresh.
Yeah.
So fresh.
Yeah.
How much was that one?
They're like $5 each.
Okay, let me also try this one. No.
Oh, I know, that was
No.
more like a pretty decoration.
That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscription button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.